Ford Bronco Off-Road Essentials, Tires, Suspension, and Gear. The Ford Bronco is a modern off-road icon, engineered to tackle rugged trails, rocky paths, and muddy terrain with confidence and style. For 2026, the Bronco continues to combine legendary 4x4 capability, advanced off-road technology, and a versatile design that makes it a favorite among adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. To get the most out of your Bronco, off-road upgrades, tires, and suspension enhancements are essential. A primary focus for Bronco enthusiasts is off-road tires. The 2026 Ford Bronco is compatible with a variety of all-terrain and mud-terrain tires designed to provide superior traction, durability, and performance in extreme conditions. Popular options include BF Goodrich KO2, Nitto Ridge Grappler, and Falken Wild Peak at 3W, delivering excellent grip on sand, rocks, and mud. Upgrading to larger or reinforced tires not only improves off-road performance but also enhances ground clearance and vehicle stance, giving the Bronco a more aggressive and capable look. Another critical upgrade is lift kits and suspension modifications. The 2026 Bronco supports short-arm and long-arm lift kits, allowing for increased wheel travel, better approach/departure angles, and higher ground clearance. Brands like Fox, TerraFlex, and Rubicon Express offer quality solutions for both street-friendly and hardcore off-road setups. A lifted Bronco can handle larger tires and rough terrain with improved articulation, providing a smoother and more controlled ride. Additional off-road essentials include rock sliders, skid plates, bumpers, and recovery gear. Rock sliders protect the vehicle's body from obstacles, while heavy-duty front and rear bumpers offer winch compatibility and enhanced durability. Skid plates shield critical components like the engine, transfer case, and fuel tank from damage during extreme off-road adventures. Adding LED light bars and auxiliary fog lights improves visibility during night drives or low-light conditions. Interior and utility upgrades are equally important. All-weather mats, cargo organizers, roof racks, and storage solutions keep gear secure and organized. Off-road navigation devices, GPS apps, recovery kits, and portable air compressors ensure that Bronco drivers can safely tackle even the most challenging trails. Proper preparation allows for a stress-free off-road experience while maximizing performance and safety. The 2026 Ford Bronco combines powerful off-road capability with modern comfort and technology. By adding off-road tires, lift kits, suspension upgrades, and essential accessories, the Bronco becomes a fully trail-ready vehicle capable of conquering rocks, mud, sand, and steep inclines. Equipped with the right modifications, the Ford Bronco 2026 delivers a thrilling, confident, and capable off-road experience, reflecting its heritage, durability, and adventurous spirit. For enthusiasts seeking performance, reliability, and versatility, the Bronco remains one of the best off-road vehicles on the market.